morning, all. How you doing today? My name is Cristiano Lorenzo, and welcome to my channel if you've never been here before. The video today is a little different because most of my videos, all of my videos actually, are shoes reviews. Today we have a vlog, our first vlog. I'm gonna go to the Taylor Swift, the ERAS store. I'm so excited, but I'm late as always. And another thing, I have class today. TS, the other hand, ERAS. So TS ERAS, I'm probably gonna be leaving here, the place that I live, 1:30. Let's hope that I get a parking spot. Pray for me. Pray for me! If you're not subscribed to this channel, if this is your first time, please consider subscribing, Let's help a Swiftie to, have more subscribers, because I'm like, I don't have subscribers, like, what the heck? And, let's go. Finished my class and it's like raining. Now I'm gonna go home, get ready. I was going to my car and then my friend Kim is here and he was in the show yesterday.
Oh,
hey Kim.
What's up? We got the 13s, we got the snake tats.
The snake tats.
Oh my god, hello.
Yeah, so I'm gonna go tonight. You're gonna go tomorrow too, right?
Yes, going again.
Cool,
Yes, it was
awesome.
that good.
Look what he did in his car. That's really cool. I'm gonna show you. ERAS Tour 2023. Honk for Taylor. Love that. I'll see you around.
Very good. Have a great time.
Thank you. Bye. How cool is that? Oh, I just finished my shower and this is the choice from yesterday, Hi everyone. Tonight we're gonna choose the outfit for tomorrow's Taylor Swift, the ERAS tour. We have a lot of looks right here and a lot of anxiety because I don't know what to wear. We have a bunch of options right here. Shoes, accessories. So please, family, help me to choose the great outfit. Let's go. Now I'm gonna go with this. I think it's a great combination, the pants, this beautiful t-shirt, all the albums in forms of book, and this pink one right here. So this is the final result. I mean, my hair is going to be down when it's a little bit drier. I'm going to take this. I hope they accept it. There's like wallet, money, everything that I need here. Yeah, this is my thing. It is kind of rainy outside. This outfit I was thinking for a sunny day, but that's okay. Converse right here, pants, and my Taylor Swift shirt, pearls. This one right here. Hey, how do I look? Let me know in the comments. I got here late. We weren't supposed to be leaving right now, but we just got here. I just got here. This is my friend Gabe. Say hi, Gabe.
Hey there. How's it going?
He ordered my food. Probably it's cold, right?
It's definitely cold, but you gotta eat it.
Yeah, no, I gotta eat it. Yeah. So I got shrimp scampi. Looks really yummy. What did you get?
I got eggplant parm with Alfredo sauce and ziti as pasta.
Yes. When I went to see the Reputation show, I stopped to eat here. So I was like, I need to go there again. You know what I mean? That's a tradition.
I have chips, water, popcorn,
chips, water,
chocolate,
popcorn,
Swedish fish.
We bought a lot of food because after this, we know that we're gonna be waiting at the parking lot of the stadium for hours. So we literally gonna put some Netflix and have some food. And are you excited for the show?
Very much. Very. I mean, I love Taylor, so it's gonna be a dream to see her live. Yeah.
Is your first time seeing her?
Yes. I mean, kinda. I kinda went to her gates in Rhode Island, her house, and started screaming. I'm pretty sure she was there.
So you were like, Okay.
So yeah, I was kind
We're just gonna eat here and then I talk back to you guys in the car. Bye.
Wait. Do you stop? Predictions for the surprise song. We gotta do it.
Oh my god, yeah, surprise song. Which one?
Long Live. It's gonna be the second or the first one.
Yeah.
Never Grow Up from Speak Now. Probably.
Oh, okay. I think that Paper Rings, gorgeous.
You gotta put Long Live. That was the first
Death by
song.
Thousand Cuts. You know, I'm in my lover area. And let's see. I talk to you guys back in car. Hey! So, I literally put my hair down right now. How do I look? I think I look great. We are on our way to Gillette Stadium. We're gonna get there at 3:26 if the traffic is good.
Yeah.
So, Gillette Stadium, simply put a message like, because it's raining a lot, maybe the show can be postponed?
Yeah.
They said about postpone?
They said like they reevaluated the situation in case there's hardship for the people. But they said like there's gonna be a concert, raining or not. There will be a concert. I have a question.
Sure.
Do you think Taylor Swift farts?
What?
I don't think she farts.
You don't think she farts?
No,
I do think
she's
she
way
farts.
she's way too perfect.
I do think she farted, and I don't think she's perfect.
No, I think she's
That's why
perfect.
she's so cool, because she's human. You know, that's why people like her so much. Because
Oh, she's not a human. She's different. That woman has
different.
powers.
Definitely, she's different, but like, she's like a special type of human.
Human.
Here's the thing: I was not a fan when I went to the Reputation tour. Meaning, I liked her songs. It was just, you know, I liked her songs. I knew her songs, mostly the singles. But I went to the Reputation tour, and I'm gonna show it to you a little bit the beginning of it if you don't know anything about it. When the show started and I felt it, and I was like, oh my god, and then I became a fan. I never was into romantic stuff, talking about love, talking about connection, because my traumas didn't let me, and I felt really...
So I feel like Reputation was a good like start for you, honestly, because I think it was her first album that was not like romantic. Was like,
Yeah, and it was
I'm
like
here for revenge, bitch.
Exactly, and like the Reputation tour for me is my favorite, basically.
Bro, there's so many people.
There's so many cars and so many formations at the same time that I'm like a little bit anxious. We literally found parking, but unfortunately it's really kind of far, right? I believe it's like 10-minute walk
Or less.
or more. Getting dirty. Just got out of the car. Look at the place. My shoes are like destroyed already. Hey. Say hey.
Oh, hey, hi.
I had to put my pants like this so it doesn't get muddy or dirty. Gillette Stadium, we're here.
Right now. Do you wanna say?
There's something good?
Yeah. Actually, I see something that I want. Oh my god! Oh, this shirt I want it. Bitch, and run! Gosh, I'm recording you. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
I'm just gonna talk. Should I talk to him just to make sure that we are in the right place?
Yeah. Okay. Oh. Oh my god.
So they just gave us the white van, and then we have this.
Taylor Swift.
Oh
my god.
This one, guys, is the one that you know, shines throughout the show. This is the best thing ever. Where's the march? Look at this, dude. We're here. Look at this.
Oh god.
Same as the large.
I wanna get everything.
What you're gonna get?
I wanna get everything.
You
moved the drawers. Like, why is the table?
Oh damn! Look at this. Look at this place. It's gonna be like right there.
Hey.
Like, we're here. Let's go.
Oh my god.
Oh, they look so good. Look at that.
Look good.
We're here. CL9.
Oh, nice.
It's kind of sunny. No, just got to our seats. Thank you so much.
We're gonna have so much fun tonight.
We're gonna have, come on guys. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So we make new friends. They're sitting right over there, side by side to us. They gave me this awesome me. You know, you can spell awesome without me. And which one do you got?
Romeo.
Oh, you got Romeo. That's so cool. I'm so excited to the show to start. Oh my god, this is gonna be so epic. It's like I'm excited. Woo! Look at this place. It's getting full of people. It's not raining that much, but on the phone says that it's going to rain much than this. But for now, at least we can take pictures. How you feeling?
I'm shaking.
He's shaking. He's nervous. Like, I'm excited. So I just got a margarita right now. It's delicious. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. I got this nachos right here in the margarita. We're gonna eat it. Gail is playing right now. Oh, we're here, just waiting. We have the Gail and the Phoebe Bridges. That's her name. They are really good. I loved it. And look at this place. Even with the rain, they're here. Everyone ready, like a plastic bag. But we're so hyped for the show. It's gonna be awesome.
I'll be voicing all the other maidens in the village. That was the take of my dreams, but I just
It's about to start. You're crying already. Kate's crying already. Woo! 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 Woo!
say is you're making me feel like I'm the man.
Which one's going on?
That I ever experienced a rain show. It was in this stadium. It was 73 years ago. No, it was a long time ago, but it was the first time I'd ever experienced a rain show. And the whole day I remember, I think I was 19 or 20. The whole day they were like, it's gonna rain, and my team and I, we really didn't know what that meant for the crowd, because in my mind that meant the crowd is going to want to have a nice evening, therefore they are not going to want to get rained on the whole night, right? You think that's the way they would work, so they're going to leave, and they're going to go find a nice way to spend their evening, instead of like being on this 3-hour water slide adventure with me. The thing that was so crazy from my mind to experience that night of that very first rain show was the lesson that I learned that I've taken with me ever since, which is that the fans and crowds in the New England, Boston, Foxborough, Massachusetts area do not care if it rains. In fact, that kind of makes it more fun for you as it will. You're here in the pouring rain. Like, this is just such a magical night. I'm just never gonna forget this, you guys. Watch this my work. Which is really, you know, these things, something like that. That's what we call a passion project. That's something where like you do something just because it's important to you as an artist. And I did this knowing, well, assuming that it wouldn't be a commercial success. I just assumed that would never happen. But that's when you guys came in and you're like, no. We're gonna get behind these ones. We're gonna completely support you in this, and we're gonna make these ones our new versions. So thank you for that. I'll never stop thanking you for that. It's unbelievable what you've done for me, just across the board, but especially with that, because it just was so generous of you and caring. To care about the same thing that I cared about. I really appreciate it. All of my fellow like dancers and everybody else on the stage is just sort of like, oh my god, this is, no one ever expects you're gonna basically perform like in a shower. It's really very exciting. Yeah. Are you having a nice time too? It's not just a tour, it's like, I don't know, I just sort of feel like my life finally feels like it makes sense. So I thought I'd play this song, which brings me really a lot of happy memories. Good girl, sad boy, album, so I figured it might be kind of interesting, maybe, to go back and go to the complete other end of the time spectrum and do something like in a water park, like underwater. So thank you so much for bearing with me. I'm going to try my best. This is called Invisible.
Oh yes, that part is so good. We made it. Look at that.
It was so
Look at that. Oh my god. Look at this. Look at this.
I don't know.
Look at
I have
this.
no voice anymore. It was soaking wet. It was the best night of my life.
We made it.
We made it.
Oh my god. I'm like, I never heard of an artist who do like a show in the rain like this, like a 3-hour show like this. This is like the craziest thing ever. It's so awesome. That's why Taylor's so awesome. Like, what the heck? Stadium after the whole thing. The whole show. Look at this. Thank you, Taylor. Thank you so much. After the show, how are you feeling?
I want to come back. I don't want to leave.
I don't want to leave. This was awesome, crazy, unique at the same time. Look at this. We are. Oh my god. Let's buy some merch. Midnight Rain. Look at this.
Who wants burritos?
Burritos. Stop selling for them. We are here in the car for how long? An hour?
An hour.
An hour. Yeah, I would say an hour as well. Almost dry. Still feel parts of my hair. Still wet. My clothes are wet. He changed it to his merch.
I got the merch.
He got the merch. So I'm still using mine because it's like, it's not wet, but it's not dry. So it's like half and a half, and I'm not gonna use my merch now. We still have our cutie thing right here. Still lighting purple. Speak Now TV. Oh, look what you got. What is this?
I spent so much money.
I feel bad that now I didn't get this.
Do you wanna go back?
Let's go back.
How did I know?
No, I'm just kidding. No, it's because I don't have a space to put this. So whatever, but it's beautiful. Thank you so much to everyone who came to see my video. You know, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Please help a Swiftie, you know, help me to grow with my channel. Thank you so much for watching. The show was amazing. This is literally going to be a night that I'll never forget. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite part in the video. And I hope you understand why I didn't put the songs, because, you know, I will get copyright stuff issues. And by the way, the cars I see right here, I believe we're going to stay here for like, what, 1 more hour? Or maybe more. Probably we're going to get home like at 5 or something, because the place is stopped. The cars are not going. It's like really like that.
I think this doesn't come out.
You think it doesn't come out?
It does.
Maybe I have to cut. Literally, look what Gabe did. Look, we got this Taylor Swift 2023 and the date, and then it's really tight, and then he tried to take it out, and then he makes it worse. Look at this, and we don't have like a scissor here.
I gotta ask the car next.
No. I hope you had fun. This was historical. You know, the rain the whole time. We were all wet. And thank you. Say bye, Gabe.
Bye. Have a great night, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry I have no voice right now.
Oh yeah, he almost lost his voice.
I might lose tomorrow morning.
And you have to work tomorrow.
Tomorrow night, and I have so many things to do.
I'm so sorry.
I don't regret it. I would do everything again tomorrow for sure.
Let's go. Bye.